All right, so I got this batch of cars that were in very well played with conditioned cars. And so these were the three ones that I really wanted out of that batch. There was like 6 or 7 of them. Um, this is one that I really want to redo. Obviously, change the wheels and change the paint, polish, or I'm sorry, re-chrome that with a Montana chrome pen. This is a Tommy Nissan Cima. I think it's a Y32. Yeah, Y32. And I love. If you ever seen these, I've been to Japan, and so being a leopard guy, you kind of fall into the other cars that have the VG30 engine. Yeah, doors open up. You know, glass is kind of scratched. It's not a big deal, but this is one I want to build. Steel rolls, but anyways, want to redo this and do it justice.